Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Upwork account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.upwork.com. Then you'll come across this official page. Here, click on sign up option in the top section of your screen. Then click on login link. If you had used your Google or Apple account while creating an account, then click on those options respectively in order to log in. Or if you had used your email address, then enter your email address in the text box. And if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on sign up button to make one. Now tap on continue with email button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can sign into Upwork account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.